Hello people, bit of a different one today. I've cooked some chicken with Chilli Wizards Moruga Extreme Olive Oil. I gave it a good shake before I used it, and here's my chicken I made. I've got, one's got the oil on it with piri piri rub, and one's just all oil. I just baked them separately, so we're gonna see what they're like. Yeah, the ordinary one with no piri piri. There it is. Smells good. Mmm. 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 Nice. Bit of a tingler. Pure chicken breast. No messing. Okay now. Lips, bit of tongue tingle. Lovely that, actually. You could do all sorts with that oil. I'm going to try the piri piri one now. Pure chicken fillet. Oh yes. It's like a party on my tongue ski. Curry. Right, that was lovely. I'll eat the rest of that in a minute. But yeah, that is really nice stuff. That you could use it with pretty much anything. Yeah, really good stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna. I've already used that much just on them two little breasts. So yeah, might need to stock up on this one, to be honest. It's a thumbs up. I'm gonna give that, for heat, about 6.57, maybe a 7 out of 10. But to flavour, well, it's olive oil infused with Moruga. and yeah, it'll go with pretty much anything. Really nice, good stuff, good chicken. See you again.